Welcome to Singapore, the Lion City, also known as the City in a Garden. In the next 2 episodes, we'll show you why Singapore is the perfect destination for Filipinos traveling abroad for the first time. If food and travel is your passion, then this channel is perfect for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get your regular dose of the Daily Fill. Hello! Nandito na kami sa Changi, Terminal 4, and we're gonna go to Terminal 3 to pick up our SIM card, and then we're gonna go to Jewel Changi in Terminal 1. All set, na-pick up na namin ang aming SIM cards. Nagpapalit kami ng konting peras. Now we're gonna go to Terminal 2 and we're gonna look for the Staff Canteen Hawker Center at kakain kami ng brunch. Naghahanap kayo ng murang makakainan dito sa Changi Airport. Magpunta kayo dito sa Staff Canteen, dito sa car park building ng Terminal 2. Meron sila ditong hawker center na nagtitinda ng iba't ibang authentic Singaporean dishes, and the prices are very reasonable. Tapos lang namin mag-lunch at dumiretso agad kami dito sa Jewel Changi, newest attraction right here at Changi Airport. It's a nature and retail complex. The highlight is the HSBC Rain Vortex. Unfortunately, it's closed due to a private event. So, babalikan na lang namin ito bago kami umuwi. So we just finished checking in at our hotel, Taiho Hotel. It's just a couple of meters away from Merlion Park MRT. And now we're making our way to the first place of interest, which is the Merlion Park. Behind me is probably the most iconic symbol of Singapore, the Merlion. It's half lion and half fish. Fish represents the humble beginnings of Singapore when it was still a fishing village, while the lion's head represents Singapore's old name, which is Singapura, which means Lion City. Kapag hindi ka daw nakapagpa-picture sa Merlion, parang hindi ka pa rin nakapunta ng Singapore. So back in 2016, that was the first time when I visited Singapore, and unfortunately, the Merlion was under maintenance at that time. So I'm very lucky to be back here and see the Merlion in all its glory. Anong masasabi mo sa Merlion?
Cool. And lumalabas yung tubig sa bunganga niya.
We're now about to get on the Singapore Flyer, second tallest Ferris wheel in the world. Ticket costs $33. The Singapore Flyer would provide us a 360-degree panoramic view of the entire Singapore city, and we're really excited. Dito na kami ngayon sa loob ng isa sa mga capsule ng Singapore Flyer. The entire flight will last approximately 30 minutes. It's best to come here at nighttime. Maganda ang Singapore skyline. Good morning, welcome to day 2 of our Singapore adventures. Last night we had a great time at Marina Bay. We had a great sleep, we're very well rested, and today we're going to Universal Studios Singapore. Ang waiting time daw ay 50 minutes. Excited pa kayo?
Yeah.
Hindi kayo natatakot?
No. I don't know what will happen there.
So we just finished our first ride, Transformers the ride. It was really awesome. Anong masasabi nyo?
It's awesome. Masaya. It's awesome and we enjoy.
Dito kami ngayon sa Goldilocks. They serve fried chicken and tater tots. Bili kami ng meal discount voucher sa $5 each. Ang Mama Bear meal composed of 2 fried chicken and tater tots plus drink costs $16. At dahil meron kaming discount voucher, $11 na lang siya.
We have guests. Hi there, folks. I mean, bunch Gigi, look at them. What are they paying for? This is torture.
We just finished the Shrek 4D experience. All of you Shrek fans, you should definitely check out that ride. Pero puro pamamasa ang ginawa nila sa amin, puro spray.
City is always fun. It's like you're there with them.
Nice, vivid green color. She's also got a full set of teeth, so for now, just refrain from touching her. It really starts to kick in. Sometimes this.
We're waiting for the Water World acrobatic show to start. We're about to see some Halloween-inspired acrobatic show. Lots of fire, water effects, and pyrotechnics. Napaka-exciting, lots of suspense. It's a must-see right here at Universal Studios, so don't miss it. There you have it. That concludes our day tour of Universal Studios Singapore. We really had a great time. Sulit na sulit yung araw nito. We weren't able to try all of the attractions, but we were able to try most of the well-rated attractions, yung pinakamagaganda sa lahat. Yung mga nagustuhan ninyo, ako ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko syempre yung Transformers,
The Mummy,
syempre yung Waterworld. Parang akong nanonood ng Hollywood film live. Dapat nyo ring subukan yung Battlestar Galactica, kaso itong dalawang to parang hindi nila kakayanin yun. But I tried it before. Yun ata ang pinaka-extreme na ride na nasubukan ko. That's it for day 2. See you tomorrow! Bye-bye! Good morning everybody, it's day 3 of our Singapore adventures. Today's itinerary, we're gonna do a walking tour of Chinatown, and then in the afternoon we're gonna visit Gardens by the Bay. We're now right here at Gardens by the Bay, a huge nature complex just behind Marina Bay Sands, and we're now making our way to the Flower Dome.
And we're so excited.
Right here at the Flower Dome, the world's largest columnless glass house that features thousands of trees, plants, and flowers from all over the world. We are currently on top of the Cloud Forest, a man-made mountain featuring thousands of plants from the tropical rainforest. But it also houses the tallest indoor waterfall in the world. Napakataas po dito, medyo po nakakalula. Tingnan po ang reaction ni Grabe lang wala naman kayo. The end is drawing near. For day 4, we're gonna go to an interactive zoo, Singapore Zoo. now right here in Singapore Zoo. We're having a good time. What I like about Singapore Zoo is that the animals are not enclosed in a cage. They're usually just surrounded by a fence that's not higher than your chest, so you can easily see them without any obstruction. The animals feel like they're in their natural environments. Ibang animals pwede mong pakainin, so merong animal interaction. Merong tram ride that goes through the 4 sections of the zoo. Very comfortable, it's very relaxing. We purchased our tickets via Klook for only 1,100 pesos.
She's the oldest elephant here, as well as the nicest population for our. Well, when it comes to this kind of enrichment environment stuff, you guys free to then lie down, get back up, and lie down on the other side, so you're completely covered with water.
Good evening, everybody. It's our last day right here in Singapore. This morning, we did a food trip. In the afternoon, we just rested in our hotel. For our final activity, we are currently at the Singapore River Cruise. We're learning a little bit about Singapore's history. At the same time, we're able to enjoy Marina Bay and the amazing architectural gems. Singapore is just a beautiful city, and we're very thankful that we're able to experience this. Aww.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
On the next episode, we will eat some chili crabs, chicken rice, satay, and the rest of Singapore's signature dishes. This is the Daily Phil, conquering the world one country at a time using a Filipino passport. Until next time, travel now, bills later.